Well, good morning, everybody, for Tuesday, the 22nd of November. With low pressure still in charge, we're sort of just out the way of some fronts today, which gives us the opportunity to at least have a bit of a dry spell. That won't be the case for the whole country, as I know into parts of Devon and Cornwall, it is particularly wet this morning, and up into the northeast as well. Also varying amounts of wind too, a bit sort of more slack towards where we are, but a bit stronger in the channel. And as we go through the next 24 hours, another front will come through during the night, bringing with it more rain, but hopefully once again, another gap. So really we are looking just flying gaps throughout at the moment. Looking at the winds, we're starting to pick up a west-northwesterly flow, which is a direction we haven't seen quite so far yet. Generally looking somewhere in the region of sort of probably at Lasham 300 at about 20 knots, 25 knots potentially at some points of the day. South that picture over the UK, we're in this very clear slot which goes out into southwestern parts of Wales, and with that in mind we should get a reasonable day with varying amounts of hazy sunshine. You can see the shower activity down on the southwest coast, but most of that should avoid us. The outside possibility of a shower this morning, as you can see, just running just to the south of the M4 corridor, but more generally the weather to the southwest of us, which won't come today. Looking at the public forecast, it's looking like hazy sunshine, good visibility, 8 degrees. It is feeling colder now, and should be remaining dry for most of the day. As you can see, a bit wet overnight before it becomes nicer tomorrow during the day. 8 degrees on GFS and dew point of around 5 degrees. And as we look on here, temperature of 5 at the moment and dew point of 3 at Lasham, which is actually quite cold when consider what we've been having over the last few weeks. That's the picture outside. You can see some sort of variable amount of cloud with some hazy sunshine, but a good start. Farnborough currently reporting broken at 12, broken at 3.5. And their TAF showing scattered at 3.5 for most of the day, with the occasional bit of broken at 900. I'd say it's already flyable, maybe a little bit of cloud in the way, but Odium as well showing few at 500, scattered at 3.2. And just some scattered low cloud during the day, so it shouldn't really cause us too much of an issue. On to top meteo, and as we go through the day, it does not look like it will get soarable, unfortunately, but then we are rapidly approaching the end of November. Those cloud bases staying around those figures in the TAF, but not convective cloud. Airspace wise, what do we have? We have some Everleigh danger area, which is active all day today, up to 12,000 feet. And there is some activity, flare firing just near in Rushmore, just south of Farnborough. That's generally out of the way of where we go flying. And there's no other things. There's a bit of paragliding going on at Westbury, just south of Keevil. But there's no NOTAMs in our vicinity other than that. No jet movements either. And operationally today, we'll be runway 27. I'll have a look to see what the state of the grass is. I imagine we're probably waterlogged again, so we'll probably be launching off the runway and landing on the runway. If we are doing that, then it will be left-hand circuits to land onto the runway, right-hand circuits land to the north side grass, mostly because that clears a lot better of waterlogging. We'll look to see, we may vary which side the winch is on as well, because if we have a northwesterly, it's better to drop the cables further away from 2XL. So the winch may end up on the north side, but we'll start off runway 27 operation, and we will see how the day goes. See you on the airfield. Bye for now.